Hello friends, this is Veronica. What happened to Cafecito time? Stick around so we could talk about it, and welcome to House of Cid 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Veronica and I make coffees about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. I just wanted to say hello. I know I've been missing for a little bit, and I just wanted to let you know what happened to our Cafecito time, because I missed Cafecito time, and I know some of you have messaged me and told me that you missed my videos, so I really truly appreciate that. First of all, nothing happened to Cafecito time. I'm not stopping Cafecito time. I'm going to continue to make videos. The thing that happened was work. Last year, 2022, and the beginning of 2021, I was working from home, which made it a lot easier and convenient for me to make videos. I was making 2 videos a week, and it was working out great. Then I was called to go back into the office to work, which was fine. But as a lot of other workplaces, jobs, industries, we're short-staffed. We don't have enough people. We're working with about half the staff. So that means me and other people have to do more work, which is fine. I enjoy my job. I'm not complaining about it, but it did leave me with less time, less energy, and motivation to make videos. It's just been very overwhelming with work, busy, tiring. So to be honest with you, I would just come home and I was like not even thinking about making videos, not even having the energy or the motivation to be making videos, which I really do miss. I do miss making videos and interacting with you guys. So that's what happened to Cafecito time. Yeah, it's sad because I know a lot of people went back to work in the office, which is great. And oddly enough, we're back to remote work. So yeah, I'm back to working remotely. So I will be able to make some more videos, hopefully. I'm not promising 2 videos a week right now. Let me get back into the swing of it, but I will be making videos at least 1 a week. So gotta tiptoe back into the Cafecito time. Also, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who did leave me messages and comments. Some of you did, like I said, leave me messages, leave me comments saying, what happened? Are you gonna make more videos? We missed your videos. So thank you to everyone for your comments and your support, even those people that left mean, negative and rude comments. Because trust me, I'm gonna make a video of all the mean, rude, negative comments I got. Some of you don't like me, and that's okay. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you. I really do appreciate all the support everyone gave me in 2021. Let's see what else. I have my little list of things I wanted to talk about. Something exciting did happen on December 31st, last day of 2021. I got a notification, an email, that I had reached 2,000 subscribers. Yay! That was pretty exciting, which was actually my goal, to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And just in the nick of time, I reached 2,000 subscribers. So thank you everyone who has subscribed. And I think a giveaway is in order. What do you guys think? We should do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I did promise another another Nespresso machine giveaway when we reached 5,000. So we're getting there, we're getting closer. So we'll see what I could come up with for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Let's see, more videos coming soon. Like I said, I'm starting to get back into the swing of it. Things are starting to kind of, I'm still working and it's still busy, but I think I'm managing it better now. In the beginning, it was just scrambling, trying to figure things out and balance doing multiple jobs, really, doing 2 I'm doing one person doing the job of two people. Like I said, it's fine. It just didn't leave me with a lot of time and energy for videos. So more videos coming soon. I'm planning to continue doing the Nespresso review videos, recipe videos. If you guys have ideas of other things you want to see, I did buy all the holiday new capsules. I didn't review them obviously, but if you would still want me to review them, leave me a comment, let me know, because I still have all the holiday flavors, some of the new capsules, and I know there's some new ones coming out, so I will definitely be reviewing those. So I don't know if I should go back and review the past ones this last month or two, or just move forward. New year, right? You guys let me know, leave me a comment. I will do, like I said, at least one video a week just to start off, and then we'll see how things go, and I'll be hopefully back to my at least 2 videos a week. Also, another idea I had, what do you guys think about doing a live stream and we could have a little cafecito chat? Let me know. That's something that I had been thinking about last year. I just didn't know when to do it, how to do it, how to kind of plan it out. I've never done a YouTube live stream. So maybe that'll be something that we can do maybe once a month. I don't know. We'll see. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. So a live stream, if you're interested, and it'll just be chatting with you guys about coffee, new coffees, new things going on, new machines. I don't know. We'll figure it out, right? So that's pretty much it. So like I said, give me your ideas and suggestions of any videos you guys might like to see. I did have ideas about other videos, but some of those might not be possible because in my state of California, things are kind of closing up again. Like I said, I'm working remotely again. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know that I can make videos here at home and keep sharing the love for Cafecito with you guys. So again, thank you everyone for your support, for your comments, for your messages. I know some of you follow me on Instagram. If you want to follow, I've been a little more active on Instagram, just showing coffee things and other fun stuff. So if you want to follow me, you can go to Instagram at House of Cid, same name. Some of you do follow me over there and have sent me messages and comments, which I appreciate as well. But that's it. That's all I have. Just to let you know, I'm here. I haven't forgotten about Cafecito time. I will be back. This is just a video to let you guys know I'm okay. Everything's okay. It's just been, like I said, busy, hectic. It takes a lot of time, energy to make these videos. I don't know if some people don't realize that when they leave those nasty comments. It's a lot of work. Making videos is a lot of work. I enjoy it. Obviously, if not, I wouldn't keep doing it if I didn't like it and enjoy doing it. But although I am monetized, thanks to you guys, the money I make is just very, very small portion, which helps just buy coffee for reviews and stuff. So it's not like I'm not living off of my YouTube money, just so you guys know. So I do this because I love it, I enjoy it, and it's fun. It's something fun because you guys know I love coffee and I love sharing with you guys, reviews, recipes, and all that other fun stuff. So that's all I have for you guys. Just wanted to let you know and share my little tree. I have my little Nespresso. I wish they made ornaments, but my Starbucks, I do collect the Starbucks ornaments. So I don't know, I don't know if it's too late. Maybe make a video of my Starbucks ornament collection. Maybe, I don't know. You guys let me know. Let me know in the comments because I do have a lot of ideas. Some of them would have been great to do last year, but it didn't happen. So you guys let me know what you want to see. Ideas, suggestions, I'm open to all that stuff. Let me know about if you guys like to see a live stream. We'll figure out a good time. I'm in Pacific Standard Time Zone, so depending where a lot of you are at, maybe on the weekend. During the week would probably be hard, so maybe on Saturday or Sunday we could have our little cafecito chat stream or something like that. Anyways, thanks everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe so you can join us in our cafecito time. And like I said, I'll come up with an idea for our 2K giveaway, and when we get to 5K, I'll give away another Nespresso machine. I really do miss you guys. I miss our cafecito time. So that's it. Thanks everyone. We'll see you soon. We're working on a video, and I'm using a new camera device here, so let me know what you guys think. And that's it. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.